I rarely get requests from my wife. Today, I'm going to try to tackle some door handle pulls for a dresser or a bifold door or something in the house. She's had these on a few different things at this point. But looking to replace this with something a little bit cooler. So we'll see what I can find. Not sure what I'm going to use, but we'll take a shot and see if she likes it. Happy with how this came out. I think it's a really cool use of this. I think my wife is going to love it. The character of it is just so cool. I love the burl and the swirls and eyes and everything you can see on the front. I even like that natural character of the cracks that you see in some of this. I think it's really nice. Anyway, I'll show you a couple of beauty shots of it and then go put it on the door. Thanks for hanging with me on this one, and I'll see you next time.